Hi guys, this is Sadik from .com, and in this video, we'll show you how to pass the strong integrity test without even using the Keybox XML file. So as you might be aware, the plain integrity test has three tests within itself. They are the device integrity, basic integrity, and the strong integrity. In most cases, you just need to pass the first and second test. However, there are some banking and payment app that now requires you to pass the third test as well. In this regard, we had a tweak wherein you will have to use an unrevoked Keybox XML file, and I had also shared that file, and you would have used that file, and after using the file, you will then be able to pass the strong test as well. But the major issue with this is that Google tends to patch this unrevoked Keybox file, and the file gets revoked within a week or so. So you will then have to once again find a new file which is unrevoked. But even if you find that file, there are high chances that Google will again revoke that file. So it's a cat and mouse game going on forever. So that is why let's skip this part, and in this video I'll show you how you could easily pass this test, the strong integrity test, apart from the basic and device test, without using any Keybox XML file. So please take a backup of all the data on your phone, and then let's get started. First and foremost, you will have to download all these 5 modules. I have linked them to my Drive account. You could have a look here. So go inside the PIF section and download all these 5 modules. Once you have got all the 5 modules, you will now have to flash the modules onto your phone as well. So let's do that. Currently, let me show you. My phone is opting root by Magisk. Okay, so one more thing. You will have to be on the canary build of Magisk and not on the stable or beta build. This is because the Shamiko module only runs on the canary build of Magisk, and so please make sure to be on the canary build. I made a separate video and the guide on the same. In short, you just have to get hold of the canary version of Magisk. Let me show you that. Go to the official Magisk GitHub page. Let me show you. There are quite a lot of pages, but only go to the official page, and from there go to the Magisk Canary section, get hold of the APK file and install the APK. After you have installed the APK, tap on update next to Magisk and then select direct install. After that, your task stands complete. You will be on the Canary build, and then you will get a version something like this. As you could see, I have made a separate video on the same as well on how you could update to Magisk Canary. I will link that video in the description. You may have a look at that video, and once you are in the Canary build, let's get started. So as you could see, initially I am failing all the 3 tests, including the strong integrity. At the end of the video, we will pass all these 3 tests, including the strong integrity test. So please take a backup just to be on the safer side, and then let's get started. First and foremost, let's download all these 5 modules and then flash them onto our phone. So for that, launch the Magisk app, go to modules, tap on install from storage, and I'll now flash all these 5 modules in any order you may flash them. That's not a cause of concern. We will do a restart at the end. There is no need to do a restart after flashing every module. So let's flash all the 5 modules first. This is the Shamiko modules, and it has been flashed as well. Then we have the Play Integrity Fix, one of the most important modules in this regard. Finally, we have the T support. Tap on OK. And once all the modules have been flashed, you will also have to enable Zygisk. So go to the settings menu on your phone, then enable the toggle next to Zygisk. In case of kernel issue and A patch, you will have to flash the Zygisk next module. This is because the Zygisk is not there inbuilt in the kernel issue and A patch. But don't you worry, I have already given the link for Zygisk next. And even if you are in Magisk and you have enabled Zygisk, I will advise you to flash the Zygisk next once again. As you could see, I have done that. Once you have flashed all the modules, you will now have to delete the data of a few Google apps. So let me show you what are those apps. Go to settings, apps, all apps, then make sure to select show system apps, then search for Play, and you have to remove the data of Play Protect service. This app is only there on some phones. If it is there on your phone, make sure to remove its data, then go back, again go back. Now go do the same for Google Play service, remove its data, tap on delete, then do it for the Google Play Store as well. And after that, you will have to do the same for the Google Service Framework. This is most important. Services Framework. Just give me a second. So this is the app, remove its data as well. So again I'm repeating, the Google Play Protect service, which is there only on some phones, Google Play service, Google Play Store, and Google Service Framework. Once you have removed the data of all these apps and you have flashed all these modules and Zygist has been turned on and you have flashed the Zygist Next module as well, it's now time to restart our phone. So let's do a reboot from here itself. You may do a restart via the power menu or from the Magisk itself. And once our phone boot up, we will then verify the result. For that we are using the Play Integrity API checker. You may also verify the same using the Play Store or any third-party app of your choice. But for now we are using the Play Integrity API checker app. So let's wait for a few seconds for the phone to boot up. Moreover, for checking out the result, you will also have to be online. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, or even the carrier data will do the job. So with that said, as of now, let me connect to Wi-Fi. It will take just a few seconds. So let me connect it to Wi-Fi. Once that is done, let's launch the Integrity Checker app and now tap on check and let's verify the result. So let's see how it goes this time around. As you could see, we are now passing all the 3 tests. More importantly, we are passing the Meet Strong Integrity as well. This is the most important test. We are passing it without using any Keybox XML file, as you could see now. So guys, from now onward, you don't have to worry about the Keybox file, but there is again some risk that Google might even patch this method in the long run. As and when that happens, I will update this guide. Likewise, I will make a new video and will find a new workaround for you. But as of now, this is the best method that will work for you without any issues. And now that you are passing all the 3 tests, you may simply use the required banking and payment app of your choice. Just make sure that if the banking and payment app are still not working, then you may add those apps to the Magisk list as well. So first off, you may hide the Magisk app, give it any name of your choice. Let's say these are optional and only do so if the banking apps are still not working. So let's rename it to Dwidwin. And once the Magisk app is hidden, you may then relaunch the app. If you want to add the shortcut to home screen, tap on OK. Otherwise, go to the settings menu now, go to configure deny list, and now select show system app as well. And now you may just add the required app of your choice. Just make sure to hide all these services as well. For example, if you want to hide from the Google Play service, so make sure to expand it and enable the toggle next to all its services. Likewise, do the same for the Google Play Store as well for all its services. Then the Google Play Protect service if it's there on your phone, and the Services Framework app as well. Services Framework. Just give me a second. Do the same for this, and finally do the same for the banking and payment app of your choice. And once you have hidden the root from all these apps, you will again have to remove the data of each of these apps. Once you have removed the data, do a restart, which is compulsory, and then you will not face any issues. So just to repeat, in most cases, just after passing the strong integrity, you might be able to use the banking and payment app. But if you are still not able to use the app, then for your first course of action is to rename the Magisk app. In my case, it's not Dwidwin. So rename the app from the settings menu from here. So hide the Magisk app, and after that go to the configure deny list, add the Google Play service, Play Store, Play Protect service, and Services Framework. After that, add the required banking and payment app to this list as well. Then remove the data of all these 4 apps as well as the banking and payment app, and finally do a restart. After a restart, you will then be able to use the required app of your choice without any issues. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.